Olulu Idemili Festival, a true celebration of African culture, custom and tradition. Every season in giving thanks for bountiful harvest. High priest Okechukwu Ezeama, Eze-Nnobi Zurukwuo, Idemili Gbulu-Gbulu, in offering of thanksgiving, he intercedes for protection and more blessings. With different masquerades standing by, waiting to exhibit the full cultural heritage of Igbo land. Don't miss this showcase of glamour. Olulu Idemili Eze-Nnobi Festival 2022. This celebration begins on Sunday, the 26th of June to Thursday, 30th of June 2022 from 10 a.m. prompt daily at Olulu Idemili, Ifite, Obgeaduji, Ebenesi, Eze-Nnobi, Idemili South Local Government Area, Anambra State, Nigeria. With full coverage, powered by House of Sewa Entertainment. For more information, call the numbers displaying on your screen. Sewa ENT TV, promoting African culture, custom and tradition. For promotion and advert placement, WhatsApp only. This number displaying on the screen.